Hi, good evening, everyone. Raihan, Altaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Altaf, Azza, Eci, and Raihan. Good evening. Welcome back to Kiddie English course with me, Miss Yeti. How are you today, everyone?
I'm great.
You're great. Good. So is this your first week to go for your new semester?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Okay, so today is your second day, right, Azza? Good. What about Altaf? Altaf, are you already in the senior high school now?
No, Miss.
Not yet.
Maybe I'm 18 July.
Okay, 18th of July will be your first day in the senior high school. Okay,
Yeah,
good.
maybe.
So which one is your high school now, Altaf? Have you got the new school?
SMU 5 terbuka.
Oh, okay, okay. Good. All right. Because, okay, now we have Reza also here. Hi, Reza. Welcome back to our Kiddie English course. You can turn on your video if you want, because it will be great to see you. Right, good, Echi, thank you. Okay, let's pray together before we start, everyone. Okay. Okay, let's pray together. Praying start.
Thank you, God.
Thank you,
Thank
God,
you, God,
for
for the
Thank
the
you,
word
God, for
so
the
words so
word
sweet.
so
sweet.
Thank you,
sweet.
God, for the
Thank you,
beautiful
God,
day.
for the
Please bless our lesson and
please bless
activities
our
today.
lesson and activity today.
I mean,
Amen.
thank you. Good. All right. So in the past, in the couple meetings in the past, we have talked about the tenses. Right now, actually, I'm going to finish about the tenses introduction. And then after that, we can discuss other things, which is a new thing, or not new thing. Probably it's not a new thing, but it's just a additional material for you. Let me find let me find it first. Jadi untuk yang tenses kalian kemarin sudah pelajari itu kalian pelajari dulu basicnya, ya kan? Nanti ketika kalian sudah apa namanya sudah naik kelas, kalian harus tahu secara detail itu fungsinya buat apa tensesnya, karena itu nanti akan berguna banget. Ya, kalau yang kemarin kita pelajari itu hanya sekedar sekilas saja tentang tenses. Karena kemarin kita sudah bahas tentang apa aja? Kemarin kita udah bahas tentang apa? Do you remember?
Past tense.
Oke, kita mulai dari yang pertama ya, diurutkan dari yang pertama. Yang pertama apa?
Past
Present
simple.
Sebelum pas apa?
Past.
Oke, sorry. Pas dulu ya. Pas
Past
yang udah
simple.
lewat. Pas, and then
Continuous.
pas. Oke, kita cari garis besarnya dulu deh. Pas, setelah pas apa?
Continuous.
Present. Setelah present apa?
Future.
Future. Good. Jadi ingat aja. Apa tadi yang pertama?
Past.
Pas,
Future. Past.
past, present, and
Future.
Future.
future. Oke, yang
Ini
diingat
emang
itu dulu
kecil
aja.
sih.
Yang diingat itu dulu aja ya. Past, present, future. Good. Nah, kemarin kita udah bahas tentang past sama present. Nah, dari past, present, future itu di breakdown lagi. Jadi ada past simple, present simple, future simple. Oke, past continuous, present continuous, future continuous. Kemudian past perfect, present perfect, dan future perfect. Oke, good. Sekarang kita akan bahas tentang sorry. Yang belum kita bahas adalah tentang future. Future kita belum bahas ya, kalau nggak salah ya. Oke, kita bahas dulu ya, baru nanti habis ini kita bahas tentang yang bukan tenses, biar kalian tidak pusing. Oke, can you see my screen now? I hope so. Good, so this is for the future tenses. Okay. This one. So for the future tenses, itu kegunaannya untuk apa? Ketika kita membicarakan tentang future facts and the things that are less certain. Sesuatu yang berhubungan dengan fakta yang akan terjadi di masa datang dan sesuatu yang less certain, yang pasti akan terjadi. Okay. For example, the sun will rise at 7 a.m. Kalau kita bilang besok pagi, the sun will rise at 7 a.m. Most likely, will it happen? Apakah itu akan terjadi? The sun will rise at, kalau di Indonesia, let's say for 6 a.m. The sun will rise at 6 a.m. Apakah itu akan terjadi? Yes, or no? Yes, okay. Jadi itu berhubungan dengan future facts. Okay. Nah, kemudian I think the conservatives will win the next election. Jadi itu tentang sesuatu yang pasti akan terjadi. Okay. Good. And then the next one, we are talking about this. Promises, requests, refusals, and over. Promises artinya apa? Janji. Janji. Okay, good. Promises artinya janji. Okay, and then request artinya?
Permintaan.
Permintaan. Good. Request artinya permintaan. Refusal artinya? Menolak. Penolakan ya.
Refuse. Oh ya.
Refusal. And then offers artinya? Menawarkan.
Menawarkan.
Okay, good. And then the first one, what is the first one? I'll help you with your homework. Kira-kira yang mana? Promises, request, refusal, atau offers?
Request.
I will help you with your homework. Menawarkan.
Menawarkan.
Menawarkan jadi apa? Offer. Ya, offer ya. I'll help you with your homework. And then this one, will you give me a hand? Ini minta atau memberi?
Minta.
Minta.
Minta. Kalau minta berarti
Request.
request. Good. And then yang terakhir ini, I won't go. Saya nggak mau pergi. So, which one is it?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Refusal. Refusal artinya tadi refusal artinya penolakan.
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam. This is Tafi. Penolakan atau menolak. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the next one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Saya di sini PPT-nya nggak ke slide selanjutnya, ma'am.
Oh, what about the others? Yang lain bisa ngelihat punya Miss yang
Sama,
feature
Miss.
simple ya?
Nggak bisa, Miss.
Altaf juga nggak kelihatan.
Altaf nggak
Cuma
kelihatan.
garisnya
Oh.
doang.
Oh gitu.
Ya,
Ya.
cuma yang pertama doang.
Oh, oke. Ada yang bisa lihat sekarang? Nggak ada yang bisa.
Nggak ada.
What's wrong with that? Jadi, wait. I will stop share it. I will stop share and then I will share again. I'm sorry. I thought everything was just okay. Wait. I will. Dari tadi Miss ngomong sendiri ya. Now, can you see it?
Yes.
Oke, good. Ini yang tadi yang pertama ya, Miss ulangin lagi ya. Ini agak cepat aja. Oke, tadi yang pertama. Oke, this one, the first one is about future facts. The sun will rise at 7 a.m. Ini sesuatu yang pasti akan terjadi. And then yang kedua, I think the conservative will. Ya, ini kalau future ini kan biasanya kita pakainya will. Will ini. Will. Oke. And then yang kedua, I'll help you with your homework. I will help you with your homework. Itu berarti penawaran. Offers itu menawarkan. Then this one, will you give me a hand? Maukah kamu membantu saya? Itu berarti permintaan. Then the last one is I won't go. Saya nggak mau pergi.
Refusal.
Itu berarti penolakan atau menolak. Refusal. Good. And then we also use the will. Will itu untuk future in the first conditional. Nanti kalian akan belajar first conditional kalau kalian sudah tahu semua tenses ya. Ini di SBNMPTN nanti ini akan ada, di SMA pun nanti ini akan ada. Jadi kalau kalian mau kuliah nanti tesnya nggak cuma di kuliah, di pekerjaan juga akan ada tenses ini yang first conditional ini. Oke, kita bahas ini lebih lanjut next time. Oke, now let's go to the next one. Okay, this one. Jadi kalau misalnya untuk untuk future itu kita bisa pakai tadi kan, yang pertama kita bisa pakai apa? Will. Di samping will kita juga bisa pakai to be, going to. Ya, to be, going to. Untuk to be-nya kalian harus menyesuaikan. To be itu bukan selalu pakai to be terus ya. To be-nya menyesuaikan. Misalnya kalau subjeknya I, berarti pakainya apa? M. Jadi I am going to. Kalau subjeknya she, jadi she is going to. Kalau they berarti
They are going to.
they are
going to.
good, they are going to. Okay, and so on and so forth ya, ngerti ya? Now, this one. Can you read me some examples, please? Kita mulai dari pertama ya. Altaf, you are always be on the first from alphabetical order. Please, Altaf, can you please read the first one? We've run out of milk.
Wait.
Yes, Altaf.
We've run out.
Of milk.
We've run out of milk. So I'm going to buy some on my way to work.
Okay, good.
The sky
Artinya
is
apa?
Oh.
Artinya apa, Altaf yang pertama?
Kami sudah kehabisan
Good.
stok susu.
Mhm.
Jadi saya pergi untuk membeli beberapa di jalan saat
Jangan.
bekerja.
Ya, ketika saya pulang kerja, gitu ya.
Pulang kerja.
Okay, good. Which one is the future tense? Yang future yang mana, Altaf? Future tense yang mana? Ini ya.
Yang I'm going to buy some on my way to work.
Good. And then number 2, Azza, can you please read the second sentence, please?
The sky is getting darker and darker. It's going to rain.
Good. So which one is the future?
It is going to rain.
Good. Artinya apa itu, Azza? Can you please translate from the whole sentence, please?
Langitnya semakin gelap dan gelap. Ini mau hujan.
Sepertinya mau hujan gitu ya. Okay, good. Next, siapa lagi ya? Davi, can you please read the third sentence, please?
Will you come to the party?
Will you come to the party? Good. Artinya apa, Davi? Kamu mau datang ke pesta tidak? Gitu kan? Apakah kamu akan datang ke pesta? Which one is the future simple, Davi? Yang future tense yang mana?
Will you come to the
Will you come?
Will, okay. Will you come to the party? Next, Tazaka, can you please read the fourth sentence, please?
Maksudnya baca yang ini.
Dibaca. It won't be very cold.
It won't be very cold next week.
Okay, good. Artinya apa, Zaka?
Tidak akan dingin minggu depan.
Ya, minggu depan nggak akan dingin banget. Okay, and then the past simple future-nya yang mana?
Won't be.
Won't be. Won't be itu singkatan dari apa ya? Anybody knows? Won't itu singkatan dari apa? Will not. Good. Jadi won't be itu artinya will not ya. Will not be. Next, Echi, can you please read the next sentence?
I'm going to cook tonight.
Okay. Which one is the future, Echi?
Going to cook.
I'm going to. Jadi ini pakainya to be going to. Okay, good. Next, siapa lagi tadi yang dibawa? Mutiara, can you please read the next sentence? Mutiara?
Yes.
Can you please read the next sentence? I will write a letter.
I will write a letter to my best friend.
Good. Which one is the future simple?
Will write.
Will write. Good. Artinya?
Aku akan nulis surat untuk sahabatku.
Udah terjadi atau akan dilakukan?
Akan dilakukan.
Okay, good job. Next, Raihan.
Yes.
Can you please?
I won't stay at this hotel.
Okay. Artinya apa?
Saya nggak mau tinggal di hotel ini.
Okay. Which one is the future simple? I?
Won't stay.
I won't stay. Okay, good job, everyone. Okay, let's go to the next one. So this is the rules for the future simple, right? I will meet him later. Then will, kalau bentuknya pertanyaan, will-nya jadi di depan. Will I meet him later? Kalau jadinya negatif, jadinya I will not meet him later. Atau will not bisa diganti jadi won't. I won't meet him later. Let's try with this one. Nabila, number 1, please. Number 2, Zia. Number 3, Rezo.
Miss, maaf, saya mau nanya, boleh nggak?
Sure, why not?
Tadi rule-nya itu verb-nya pakai verb berapa?
Oke, verbnya verb 1. Nih, kita lihat ya. Nah, ini. Verbnya verb infinitive. Verb infinitive itu artinya verb yang verb aslinya. Infinitive. Ya. Jadi, I will meet. Meet kan verb berapa?
1.
Verb 1. Will I meet him later? Verb 1. I won't meet him later. Verb 1 juga. Oke. Yes, Arkan? Haza?
Yes, thank
Paham
you, Miss.
ya? Yes, welcome. Next, Nabila number 1, Zia number 2, Rezel number 3. Please.
I
Bisa pakai
will be
atau
there.
to be going to ya.
Okay. I will be there by 4 o'clock, I promise.
Okay, good. I will be there. I will be there by 4 o'clock. I promise. Okay. Next, number 2, Zia.
The meeting.
The meeting.
Thing. Will.
Sorry, I will. Okay, yes, ya. The meeting. Tinggal ditambahin will aja, Zia. The meeting will take place at 6 p.m. Artinya apa?
Sebuah
Rencana rapatnya akan
segera dimulai
akan dimulai jam
6 pagi.
6 malam. Okay, next Rezel. I'm afraid
we
will not jadinya apa? I'm afraid will not jadinya apa?
does
Won't. Kok bisa does? I'm afraid I won't be able to come tomorrow. Artinya apa?
saya takut saya
Tidak akan
datang
bisa datang besok. Good. Next. Siapa lagi yang ada di sini? Sia udah, Raihan belum. Mutiara tadi udah ya?
Untuk yang di sini belum, Mem. Tapi yang
Oke. Ya, alright. Kita mulai dari awal lagi ya. Altaf, Azza, Davi. Number 4, 5, and 6. Please, Altaf. Altaf, are you there? Okay, maybe he's in the restroom. Azza, can you please do number 4? Davi, number 5. Echi, number 6.
If it rains, we won't go to the beach.
Good. If it rains, we won't go to the beach. Will not, yeah. We will not go to the beach. We won't go to the beach. Next, number 5. Davi? Lihat ya, di sini ada kalimat, di sini ada tanda tanya. Kalau tanda tanya berarti kalian harus bikin kalimat tanya. Kalau kalimat tanya, will-nya ditaruh di mana? Davi, please. When?
When
When? Will?
will meet?
When will you get back? Ya kan? Kalian tinggal cari atau dimodifikasi kata di sini. When will you get back? Kapan kamu akan kembali? Ya, Davi?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. Eci number 6, please.
Will they come tomorrow?
Good, because this is a question, so you have to put will in front. Will they come tomorrow? Apakah mereka akan datang besok? Next, after that is Mutiara. After Mutiara, we have Nabila. Please, Mutiara and Nabila.
David will be at home this evening.
Oke, di sini ada kata, ada tanda tanya, berarti ini kalimat tanya. Kalau kalimat tanya jadinya gimana ya?
Will be David at home.
Will plus subjek dulu.
Will David
Be. Will David be at home this evening? Artinya apa?
Apakah David akan ke rumah sore ini?
Yes. Apakah David akan ada di rumah sore ini? Good. Next. Nah, Mutiara. Tadi Mutiara atau Nabila ya? Next. Nabila.
In my opinion, she won't pass the exam.
Good. In my opinion, she won't pass the exam. Dia tidak akan lulus dari ujian. Okay, good. So far, so good. Now, we're going to talk about present. Future continuous. Kalau future continuous, we talk about an action in the future that overlaps another shorter action or a time. Jadi ada dua kejadian di sini. Di sini ada dua kejadian. I will be waiting when you arrive. Ada dua kata kerja ya. Yang mana dulu yang terjadi? I'll be waiting atau you arrive?
Be waiting.
I'll be waiting. Good. I'll be waiting. Terjadi dulu. At 8 o'clock, I will be eating dinner. Ini juga. This is different meaning ya. Jadi ini sesuatu yang pasti juga. At 8 o'clock, I will be eating dinner. Jadi jam 8 nanti saya sudah berencana untuk makan malam. Karena apa? Mungkin dia intermittent fasting. Oke. Atau misalnya kalian bilang, I will be eating dinner in Maghrib time. Karena kalian puasa, jadi kalian yakin bahwa kalian bilang, I will be eating dinner when it's Maghrib. Karena kalian puasa. Okay, and then the next one, something that will happen if everything happens as we expect. Jadi sesuatu yang akan terjadi sesuai dengan yang kita rencanakan. For example, the government will be making a statement later. Bukan letter ya, later. When will you be leaving? Ini lebih sopan daripada kalian bilang, when will you leave? Kamu kapan pergi? Nah, jadi yang ini lebih sopan daripada yang kedua. Oke. Next, let's go to the next one. Ini future continuous. For example, can you please read the example quickly? Kita tadi sampai mana ya? Kita sampai Nabila. Oke, Raihan. Rezel, Tazaka, Zia. Raihan, Rezel, Tazaka, Zia. Can you please read one sentence each of you?
I will be writing article on different topics.
Okay. Which one is the future?
Will be writing.
Will be writing. Good. Next.
Robert will be reading various
Very,
kinds of books.
various kinds of book. Yang mana yang future?
Will be reading.
Oke, artinya Robert akan membaca berbagai jenis buku. Next, Tazaka. Tazaka. There will be
They
playing.
will be playing football in that field.
Good. Artinya mereka akan bermain bola di lapangan itu. Zia.
What will you be doing at 10 p.m. tonight?
Good. What will you be doing at 10 p.m. tonight? Apa yang akan kamu lakukan jam 10
Saya
malam
akan
nanti?
Malam.
Good. Next, Altaf. Altaf is gone. Aza.
She
Oh yeah, sorry, Altaf. Because you were away. Yes, please continue, Altaf.
will not be sleeping when you telepon her.
Oke. Artinya?
Dia tidak akan tidur jika kamu menelpon dia.
Dia tidak akan tidur ketika kamu menelponnya. Next, Aza.
They won't be watching TV at 9 p.m. tonight.
Oke, good. Mereka tidak akan
Mereka tidak akan
Nonton
nonton
TV
jam 9 malam.
9 malam ini. Oke, good. Kita lihat bagaimana caranya membentuk I will be future continuous. Ya, gampang ya. Will tambah apa? Be
Will be.
tambah verb verb ing. Oke, good. Nah, kalau dalam kalimat tanyanya will you be verb ing. Oke, let's take a look here. I will be sleeping. Will I be cooking? I won't be cooking. Jadi biasanya ingat-ingat aja kalau be itu temannya sama verb. Okay, let's try this out. Let's try from Eci. Number 1, Eci. Number 2, Mutiara, Nabila, Raihan. Lie on the beach. Artinya apa? Lie on the beach. Berbaring di pantai. Okay. At 3 o'clock tomorrow.
At 3 o'clock tomorrow, you will lie on the beach.
You will
Be
be lying on the beach.
You will be lying on the beach. Jadi nulisnya lying seperti ini. You will be lying on the beach. Okay,
Miss.
number 2. Yes.
Arti lying apa?
Lying artinya berbaring. Berbaring atau selonjoran di pantai.
Oh,
Or
makasih ya, Miss.
Welcome. Next, number 2. Siapa tadi? Yes, please.
At 10 o'clock tomorrow, she will be sleeping.
Good. She will be sleeping. Next number, please.
When she arrives, I won't waiting.
I won't be.
I
Nya
won't
jangan lupa.
be waiting.
I won't be waiting. Siapa tadi setelah ini tadi siapa? Okay, who's the next one? Belum disebut ya. Wait, let me check. Raihan, after Raihan, Rezel, and then Tazaka, and then Zia. Raihan, Rezel, Tazaka, Zia, please. Number 4.
When they arrive, David won't be cooking.
David won't be cooking. Good. Next number, please.
When the boss comes, John will use the computer.
Will be
Use the
using.
using the computer.
Kan itu ada tanda tanyanya. Jadinya gimana?
Oh, nggak kelihatan. When the boss comes,
Will
David
John
will John using
be using the computer? Next number, please. Tazaka and then Zia.
When she comes in, will you be talking on the phone?
Will you be talking on the phone? Good. Next year. At 8 p.m. Where will I be waiting? At 8 p.m. where will I be waiting? Ya, oke, so far so good. Masih ada yang bingung? Tidak apa-apa, right? Let's go to the next one. Nah, what about this one?
I will be helping you.
You can use will. You can use will being. Oke, yang mana ya? Oke. Kita balik lagi ke atas ya. Altaf. Back to you again, Altaf.
Entah.
Itu pakai yang mana? Mau pakai will atau will be going?
I will help you.
Yes, correct.
I will help you as soon as I finish this
Okay.
project.
Good. Kenapa pakai will? Karena di sini sesuatu yang sifatnya reaktif ya. I will help you as soon as I finish the project. Saya akan bantu kamu setelah saya selesai project ini. Jadi itu sesuatu yang something which kalau will itu salah satunya, kalian pakai will itu melakukannya tanpa mikir panjang. Jadi nggak dipikir-pikir gitu. Misalnya, oh saya akan bantu kamu nanti kalau saya udah selesai. Padahal kenyataannya dia sibuk banget, ya kan? Kalau misalnya kalian berpikir kalau kayaknya saya sibuk banget, saya nggak akan bisa bantu kamu. Jadi kalian bisa bilang, I'm not going to help you. Karena kalian pikir nggak akan bisa. Because I have many things to do. Tapi kalau ini tuh kesannya responsif, reaktif. Ya. Sesuatu yang terjadi tiba-tiba. Oke, number 2. Azza, number 2. You should recognize her easily.
You should recognize her easily. She will be wearing a red skirt.
Dia akan memakai. She will recognize artinya apa? Ini dulu. Recognize artinya mengenali. Kamu harus mengenali dia dengan mudah. Karena dia, she will be wearing. She will be wearing a red skirt. Kenapa she will be wearing? Because something that you already expect will happen. That she's wearing a red skirt. And that you can recognize her easily. Kamu bisa mengenali dia dengan gampang melalui rok warna merah itu. Okay, Davi number 3, please try. At 11 p.m.
At
Ini sesuatu yang
11
akan
p.m.
pasti terjadi.
I will be sleeping.
Good. At 11 p.m. I will be sleeping. Jam 11 malam, I will be sleeping. Of course, this is something which is exact. Number 4. Echi.
I suppose the weather will be good. I suppose the weather it's going to be good.
Is going to be good. Is going to be good. Okay, it's going to be good because you can predict it. Maybe the weather, the sky is clear, the sun rises, so you can predict it. Okay. Next, number 5. Let's go to Mutiara, number 5, and then Nabila, number 6, and then Raihan, number 7. Please.
Okay, she will be sending Bruno the letter when she has time.
Okay, but she will be sending Bruno the letter when she has time. This is 2 actions happen in the same time. She will be sending Bruno a letter. Good. Number 6. Nabila.
Tomorrow at this time, I will be attending the conference.
Good. I will be attending the conference. Artinya apa?
Menghadiri konferensi.
Besok pada jam segini, saya akan menghadiri konferensi. Right, Raihan, number 7.
They work hard. They will get good marks at the end of the school.
They will
Getting.
be
They will be
getting good marks. Karena apa? Because they have been working hard. Karena mereka sudah kerja keras, maka mereka akan dapat good marks. This is something that you can predict. Okay.
Miss,
Yes.
sebelumnya mau tanya untuk yang pertanyaan yang tadi itu, saya masih kurang paham yang bedanya nomor 1 sama nomor 7. Kan tadi nomor 1 pakai will aja. Terus kalau nomor 7 tuh pakai will be getting.
Ya, karena di nomor 1 ini tindakan yang kalian lakukan secara tiba-tiba, secara kalian nggak pikir panjang misalnya. Oh, saya akan bantu kamu kok. You will say, oh, I will help you. You're not going to, I will be helping you. Misalnya ya, misalnya nih, teman kalian bawa buku berat banget. Terus kalian akan bilang, oh, sorry, okay, I will help you. Kalian akan bilang, kalian akan pakai I will help you karena ngelihat teman kalian bawa buku yang sangat berat gitu. Jadi itu sesuatu yang terjadi secara refleks gitu loh. Nanti enggak. And then number 7, they work hard. They will be getting good marks at the end of the school. Jadi di sini faktanya apa? Mereka bekerja keras atau tidak? Ya, because they work hard. Jadi kalian menyimpulkannya dari sini. Because they work hard, so they will be getting good marks. Mereka pasti akan dapat nilai bagus nih. Karena apa? Karena mereka sudah kerja keras. Ya, gitu. Oke?
Oke, berarti sama kayak nomor 6 dan yang tadi beberapa pakai will be gitu ya. Itu pengertiannya sama kayak nomor 7 juga.
Oke. Nggak semuanya sama. Tadi kita udah bahas ya. Kita balik lagi ke sini deh. Kita balik ke belakang. Nih, will be ini di sini kan. I will be waiting when you arrive. Artinya ada dua kejadian di sini yang terjadi. And then this one, at 8 o'clock, I will be eating dinner. Artinya ini sesuatu yang pasti akan terjadi. Karena kalau misalnya, sama tadi Miss bilang, ketika maghrib saya akan buka puasa. Itu kan berarti sesuatu yang pasti akan terjadi. Kalau maghrib, misalnya pas lagi Ramadan nih, ketika maghrib datang, when maghrib, let's say at 6 o'clock ya maghribnya, at 6 o'clock, when maghrib times, I will be breakfasting. Do you get it so far? When maghrib time, I will be breakfasting. Saya akan berbuka puasa ketika maghrib. Karena pasti akan terjadi. Itu. Nah, kalau yang ini, the government will be making a statement letter. This is something that will happen if everything happens as you expect. Jadi ini sesuatu yang kalian harapkan yang akan terjadi. For example, jadi di balik kalimat ini ada rasionalnya, misalnya the government will be making a statement later. Okay. Artinya pemerintah akan membuat surat pernyataan, ya kan? Misalnya di balik itu kalian sudah tahu nih, oh misalnya, harga bensin akan Pertalite misalnya akan dihapuskan. Nah makanya sekarang Pertalite dinaikkan. Nah kemudian Pertamax sekarang harus untuk, jadi di balik satu kalimat ini di belakangnya tuh sudah ada cerita-cerita yang seperti itu. Nah kalau yang terakhir, when will you be leaving? Ini untuk sesuatu yang lebih sopan dan sesuatu yang lebih bagus ya bilangnya seperti ini daripada when will you leave. Oke? Okay? Yes? Tadi siapa yang nanya, Mutiara atau Nabila?
Mutiara, Ma'am.
Okay. Good.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Welcome. Oke, tadi sama mana ya? Oke. Aduh, kok udah jam segini ya? Oke, can I just stop share now? Actually, I'm going to talk a little bit about this thing. Let's stop with apa namanya? With the tenses. Now let's have fun and let's learn other things. Okay, do you like to watch? Do you know who is the famous book writer from UK? Siapakah penulis terkenal yang berasal dari Inggris dan dia menerbitkan buku apa? Do you know? Who is the famous author from UK? Penulis terkenal di UK apa? JK? JK? Row? Ayo. J.K. Rowling. Good. Do you know what is her masterpiece? Karyanya dia apa? Do you know? Okay, let me show you. So this is J.K. Rowling character that she created. This one. Do you know who are they? They are Harry
Potter.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter is written by siapa tadi namanya?
J.K. Rowling.
J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling, okay? This is something that is very well known, very famous. You should know about this, okay? Now we're going to talk a little bit about the possessive case for apostrophe S. Ini namanya apostrofi ya teman-teman. This one, ini namanya apostrofi. Oke, ini nih yang kecil nih, kecil satu di atas nih namanya apostrofi. Apostrofi S. Karena diikuti dengan S. Jadi apostrofi S ini dipakai untuk posesif atau kepunyaan. Oke, Let's meet Harry Potters and friends. Here we go. Mana ya? Okay. This one. So we add apostrophe S for singular nouns. For example, this is Harry's pet. Artinya apa? Ini
Ini punya
binatang.
Harry.
Iya, ini binatang piaraannya Harry. Okay, so this is Harry's pet. Yeah, so you have to take a look at it here. This is the apostrophe S. Namanya apostrophe S. Atau kalian juga bisa bilang, sorry, this is Harry's. This is Harry's pet, or this is Harry's. Titik. This is Harry's. Okay, let's go to the next one. So we add only the apostrophe if it is the singular noun ending with S. Jadi kalau belakangnya berakhiran dengan huruf S dan itu adalah kata benda singular, enggak jamak, cuma satu ya, tunggal. For example, this is Albus pet. Ya, karena namanya Albus. Jadi kita cukup tambahkan apostrofi aja. This is Albus pet. Atau jadinya gimana? This is. Yang tadi seperti tadi.
This is Aldos.
This is Albus. Titik. Alright, ini aja udah benar. Okay, good. Let's go to the next one. Wait. Why it's not moving? Next, we add only the apostrophe for plural nouns ending in S. Jadi untuk kata jamak, kata benda jamak yang berakhiran dengan huruf S. For example, boys. Ya, this is boys' room. Jadi kalian cuman menambahkan apostrofi aja. Karena di sini udah ada S. Pokoknya kalau udah ada S, kalian tambah apostrofi aja. Okay, next one. To show position for two or more people. We add S or apostrophe after the last person's name. For example, ini kalau untuk menyebutkan dua, kepemilikan dua atau lebih ya. Contohnya, ini kan ada 3 orang. Dan dia, anaknya, he is, ini orang tuanya, ini anaknya. He is Lucius and Narcissus' son. Jadi karena ada 2 di sini, jadi kalian tambahkannya yang paling belakang saja. Oke.
Miss.
Yes.
Maaf memotong.
Okay.
Slide-nya nggak ganti.
Again.
Yes.
Dari tadi nggak ganti ya? Yang tadi yang sebelumnya ya, sebelumnya ganti kan? Wait. I have to stop share and then I have to start share again. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my laptop. Probably needs to be updated. Now you can see my screen, yeah? Wait. No. Wait. No, I have. Stop share first. Okay, this one. Now can you see my screen? Hopefully yes.
Yes.
Yes. Oke, jadi ini untuk menunjukkan kalau misalnya dia ini anaknya, ya kan? Ini orang tuanya. Jadi kalau kita bilang he is Lucius and Narcissus' son. Bukan he is Lucius apostrophe and Narcissus apostrophe son, tapi cukup ditaruh di belakangnya aja. Dia adalah anak dari Lucius dan Narcissa. Oke. Atau seperti ini. He is Narcissa and Lucius' son. Ya, kalau belakangnya ada S-nya, berarti cuma ditambahin apostrofi aja. Good. Now let's practice. Which one is the correct one? Number one, number two, or number three? Harry, Harry, or Harris? Kalau kepunyaan posesif. Which one? Yang mana? Yang ini ya. This is, okay. He is Harry's friend. Okay, good. What about this one?
Miss.
No? Can you see my screen?
Ini masih belum ganti, masih di Narcissa.
Oh.
Iya.
Oh, my bad. Harusnya dari tadi udah ganti sih. Ya, sebentar ya. I have problem with my laptop then. Wait a moment. Pantesan diam aja. Ichi. Okay, this one. He is, which one is the correct one? Yang 1, 2, atau 3?
He is Harry. One.
Dia temannya Harry.
He is
Harry's friend.
Yeah, this one. He is Harry's friend. Okay. Next. Okay, what about this one? This is?
Masih belum ganti, Miss.
Oh, masih belum ganti ya?
Yes.
Harry.
Oh, I don't know what's wrong with this. I think I need to update. Oke, yang ini aja deh kalau gitu. Miss nggak usah share screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yep.
Yeah, okay, let's do it like this. Okay, number yang ini nih. Oh, it's freezing. Maaf ya, ini freezing. Okay, can you see this? Oke, kita lihat yang ini ya. What about this one? This is yang ini nih. This is serious fat. Which one? Number 2, 1, 2, or 3?
3.
2.
2. Kenapa number 2? Kenapa yang kedua?
Karena belakangnya udah ada S.
Yes, betul. Karena belakangnya sudah ada S, jadi cuma ditambah apostrofi aja. Good job. And then the next number, she is Ron, Fred, and George sister. Yang mana? 1, 2, atau 3?
Yang 1.
Yang pertama ya. Kenapa yang pertama?
Karena dia bertiga.
Karena kalau yang bertiga yang ditambahin itu cuman yang paling belakang aja. Alright. Okay, good job. Next one. Okay, what about this one? The pet is a snake. Voldemort, pakai apostrofi, or Voldemort. 1, 2, or 3? Yang mana?
2.
2. Why?
Ada akhirnya ada S.
Iya, karena akhirnya T, jadi dikasihnya apostrofi plus S. Okay, good. I think that's all. It's already 9 o'clock. I'm sorry for the inconvenience of my sharing screen that didn't work. I will try to change my laptop. Yay. Okay, thank you for coming to my English course tonight. Thank you for coming, and I hope you have a nice rest today. Good night. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice evening.
Waalaikumsalam
Assalamualaikum,
warahmatullahi
Miss.
wabarakatuh.
Salam.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye-bye.
See
You're
you.
welcome. See you soon.